Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the one and only Juan. So I got my man to come and do another mukbang with me. But today we're going to be doing a seafood boil for you guys. Now today we ended up doing the recipe that we've been watching. What was that one?
BLoves Life.
BLoves Life. I always forget her name.
Right, that's like that.
Yeah, BLoves Life, I think. Well, we'll list her YouTube page down below. But we've been watching her for quite some time, and she's like queen of freaking seafood mukbangs. So we ended up making her
our version
of her dips, her sauce. So we're going to try it. We have a little bit of everything here. We have our lemons, we have our corn, we have crab, shrimp, lobster tail, black tiger shrimp, some eggs. So we're just gonna dig in. So we're gonna pray really quick so we can just dig in. And guys, today is the, what's it called, Super Bowl?
Yeah.
So the Super Bowl is going on too. Yeah, the only thing I know about football is that they just run. That's about it, guys. So, okay, let's go ahead and pray. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for this amazing day, Lord. Thank you so much for allowing us to be able to have food to nourish our body. Please allow this food to just nourish our body in every way. In Jesus' name, we thank you. Amen. All right, guys. So we're just gonna dig in. So I don't even know if we're gonna do much talking, but where do you want to start?
I don't know.
Okay, I just want
to get a little sauce.
Okay. Oh, that's cool. So we're just gonna dip it in the sauce. Look at this sauce, guys. I had to put it like right up. See? Kind of dip. Yeah. So it's a lot of seasoning that she uses. So we'll see.
Is it good?
Maybe I should have not put on my lipstick. Oh, there's some lemon spoon.
Will this be considered like double dipping? So we got to share.
Was yours is mine? Was mine is yours? So far, guys, the corn is like freaking amazing. We've been planning this, guys, for quite some time. We've been wanting to do this for you guys for a while. And to just do it today. Guys, now this is a potato. That's very good. Can we just oh, and then I have boiled eggs. Can they just chill in there?
You put them in there?
Yeah.
Oh?
And then I made some homemade lemonade. Like, he pretty much did the whole thing. And babe, no lie, just even by itself is really good. That sauce is really good too, though.
I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you like it.
Guys, look at these lobster tails. I've got them from where did I say?
Sam's Club?
Yeah, I got them from Sam's Club, and I think some of the shrimps too. They're so freaking huge, right? Next time, we gotta each get our own bowl. I'm over here like, oh my god. Today was so cute, guys, because like we mentioned to you guys before, my boyfriend has 2 daughters. So today we kind of got to like cook with one of his daughters, even though it was like through the phone, but it was so cute. She's growing up.
That she is.
Going to be 15, but oh my god, it's like so grown.
Yeah. In a few years, you're gonna graduate. Mm-hmm. Go to college on it, you know?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But it's like so amazing now.
Start a home family, you know, stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Becoming an adult.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
I know.
And they were just a little baby, not too long, you know what I'm saying?
This is pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, just
no,
dipping on my. Yeah, dip, loosey loose.
Mm-hmm.
We have some snow crabs, ¿verdad?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, almost lost the shrimp, guys. We ain't losing no shrimp today. Ooh. Now the thing, it is pretty spicy, I will say that.
The sauce? I know right at the end it gets you.
It's good though, but it's spicy. I don't know if I'm, look, I had to bring some to this because I was like, I'm not about to struggle. I don't know why I'm trying to cut this piece. I'm scared. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting that we have lemon. I want to have like, which one's the one that should be getting? The king, como?
Oh, it's that king crab?
King crab. That bad boy be looking good.
Yeah, come on.
I don't even know if there's something in here. Can't see it. But it took us, what, like, almost 2 hours, an hour to make it?
21.
Huh? 21? Okay. Is it better? Yeah, I don't think this one works, babe. I can open that whole thing. Try one of these eggs. No, he doesn't like boiled eggs, but I do kind of want to try the Alfredo sauce. Yeah, like I know how to make homemade Alfredo sauce, but I am kind of curious to see how it will taste like with shrimp or seafood.
The seafood the same way then? Or do you have to, since you're doing Alfredo?
I don't know. That's a good question. I guess I'm just gonna try to cut this guy. Oh, it's like spiky.
It's like a big shrimp.
Oh.
Yeah, we should Google this first.
Right? Yeah.
Bust the thing open.
You know what? I feel like I've been digging for crab meat and it's like true. Ooh, oh my god, I feel like you just like encuadrarlo.
I did.
You did, pretty much. I'm just dipping in the shrimp in there. But I do want to one day taste like what ours, you know, hopefully like BLoves life or whatever. She's able to make her own sauce, so I can really taste it, yeah. I'm excited for this, guys. All right, so this is how she does it. Okay, so she grabs her lobster tail, she'll dip it in her sauce. Okay. Thank you, babe. So just dipping that guy in there. And then she like, Put a little lemon there. All right, you ready, babe?
Go ahead.
But yeah, it's like these little things here. I'm nervous. Okay, you ready?
Oh,
Good, it's good.
done?
Like, It's not bad. It's not bad, but it's just interesting to me. I don't know, you have to try it. You want to try it from this one or your own?
No, I get my own.
I don't know, maybe we did something wrong.
Wow, what's it like?
Nothing. Yeah.
Then we might cook a little bit longer?
Yeah.
They feel rubbery though?
No, it didn't. Maybe that's what it tastes like. I don't know. Maybe I'm just whack.
If it feels rubbery, I overcook it.
And like, I think they make it look so much better on YouTube.
That'd be pleasant.
You have to try it so you can see. Like, it's not bad. It's just, I don't know. Maybe I'm just not a lobster tail person. But I'm really not feeling it.
You think you like overhype yourself?
Yeah, because it's like I've been watching them eat it and it just looks like delicious stuff. And I'm over here eating and I'm just like, let me get my little shred. Have it? Because the sauce is good. But, oh my God, this corn's so good. I love me some corn. Y'all go tell me some elotes. I don't know. I just feel like I've been hyped up watching those videos and eating it right now. I'm just like, y'all be lying. No, I'm just like, you know, everybody's taste is different. But
well, like you said, we probably don't overcook them. You know what I'm saying? You know, we don't know what. I just really prepared these. You know, it's our first time doing it.
But them snow crabs, they came out good. Wait, have you ever had a lobster tail before? All right, let's see, guys.
It's straight with the sauce and everything on it.
Yeah. Ooh. It's like something about getting the whole piece. It's just like,
oh, you got it, yeah.
Oh, there's another one.
All right, wait.
Boy. What is that?
The claw.
Oh. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, go ahead and give us a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe as well. Alright, bye.